Greetings, I am Florence a fourth-year accounting student from Ivory Coast, West Africa.
Greetings, I am Fantasia Jackson, a graduating senior from Lexington, Kentucky.
Greetings, I am Ashley Young, a fourth-year accounting student from Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Greetings, I am LaRonda Pender, a graduating senior from Miami, Florida.
Okay, nice. So that's one video right there.
Most products at the lowest cost. Walmart is a discount store, with that being said.
One of the main core of Walmart is ethical behavior. They even have a program called Integrity in Action Award. This program recognizes associates who show integrity throughout their action and word and inspire other associates to always do the right thing. Walmart fraud policy. CEO Doug McMillon mentioned that the legacy of Walmart is the fact that they strive to train employees the benefit of ethics and encourage employees to have an ethical behavior at Walmart. Ethical behavior is encouraged by the top line managers. Walmart do have a writing fraud policy and procedure where they encourage employee and customer to report fraud anonymously. Walmart does have an internal auditing control composed of Timothy Fleet, James Cash, Pamela Green, and Tom Hunton.
Okay, Walmart is a multi-billion-dollar company. Therefore, key management is very essential as far as making sure things are afloat on a day-to-day basis. Walmart does have a third-party audit team that is selected by their board of directors. The key shareholders are family members, including the CEO and founder of Walmart, Sam Walton, Alice Walton, S. Robson Walton, and various other family members. The board of directors includes CEOs, CFOs, and presidents of other companies, including Instagram, Yahoo, and American Airlines. These companies are also multi-million-dollar and multi-billion-dollar companies. With that being said, these board of directors do have a lot on their plates when it comes to making sure that everything is aligned with Walmart as well as their companies outside of Walmart.
With the fraudulent reports and assessments, Walmart's physical inventories was taken at stores in rotations all throughout the year. Their performance is actually declining. It's neither stable or increasing. And within Walmart competitive pressures, the competitive initiatives of other retailers because they offer a variety of the same products and services as others offer.
Walmart's main core business is their supply chain. Walmart has the ability to network with their supplier, which allow them to provide low price to their customer. Walmart buy product in quantity. Now, when Walmart negotiate their price compared to their competitor, they buy product in large amount of product. They will buy 100,000 of one product with a supplier, while Winn-Dixie might buy only 100 products. And why Walmart is buying those 100,000 products, it allows them to negotiate their price better, which make them one of the most powerful company in the world.
Your turn. And then a few data analytics that could be used as far as the inventory room, the warehouse where employees go to whether they want to steal some of the inventories. The company could basically run a query to show which employees clock in and out and basically an inventory count. And some non-analytic data analysis that could be used is use electronic surveillances as cameras monitor, in and out flow of the inventory room and basically obtain documentary evidence of the purchase orders.
During the fraud analysis, we conducted a vertical and horizontal analysis. we analyzed the balance sheet of Walmart, and throughout the analysis, we came up with several accounts which we believe are the most fraudulent and also the most account to be manipulated. Inventory. Due to the fact that Walmart has a large warehouse, it makes this account very fraudulent. And after doing the horizontal analysis, we can tell that the account decreased from 2015 to 2016 by 1.49%. And 1.49% for a company like Walmart, it is a large amount. Inventory is tangible assets for a global company like Walmart. Inventory, store, warehouse is a huge factor for their success, which make this account again very fraudulent. Receivable. Receivable decreased by 7.03%. This makes this account very fraudulent because it's identified that the bad debt expense is increasing. Receivable are the sales that company make on credit. Company have a highly chance to collect, that company believe that they have a highly chance to collect the money. So if receivable decreased by 7.03%, on the other hand, the bad expense increase.
Okay, after analyzing the income statement, doing a horizontal trend analysis, I noticed that there was a very red flag type of account called capital lease and financing obligations. There was a 73.7 increase from 2015 to 2016. Capital lease and financing obligations meaning more debt for the company. However, debt decreased from 2015 to 2016 by negative 6.2%. This is a red flag because if the accounts are related, you would think that there is a corresponding difference in the way that the account is moving. There's an increase to one account but a decrease to the other, and this seems fraudulent.
While assessing Walmart and its management fraud risk, we found out a couple things that has happened in the past that has been recorded in the media and on the news that doesn't show Walmart in a favorable light. Recently, Walmart domestically has had some issues recording their taxes. They have not disclosed taxes on their financial documents for the public to see. Although the public has to use these ratios and financial data to decide whether they want to invest in the company or not. One of the foreign issues that we also found when discussing management fraud is Walmart and various other Fortune 500 companies have been caught up in scandals where they are operating sweatshops overseas, and they also pay employees minimum wage or below the minimum wage of the foreign country. Although America does have a minimum wage of $7.25, in other countries minimum wage could be as low as $3, and Walmart is one of those companies that is paying employees under their minimum wage. Another risk that we discovered was corruption. Recently, Walmart was involved in bribery over in Mexico, and the biggest issue with this is that their auditing team was aware of it, but they didn't report it. So this leads us to believe that Walmart was actually paying off their auditors, and they also recently changed their auditing company in 2015. A domestic issue with corruption that Walmart can possibly be tied into is that Walmart has a large family, the Walton family, who owns shares in the company and also operates on the board. This can be an issue because it'll be easier for them to cover it up because everyone's working within the company. The Walton family is also involved in external companies, and they can possibly be using their leverage with Walmart to partnership with these multiple companies.
What's up under the misappropriation of assets for the domestic part is billing schemes and embezzlement. And up under the billing schemes, the company's board of directors can create false invoices and get Walmart to pay for its their own personal expenses, which causes Walmart's assets to go down. And with embezzlement, employees can use companies' credit cards for personal supplies, which means there will be a decrease in inventory supplies as well as the company's assets. And for the foreign is offshore accounts, which is basically wire fraud. Walmart has 78 subsidiaries and branches overseas, which means that executives can wire companies' monies to offshore banks.
Through our research, we came to the conclusion that Walmart is very much prone to fraud. Through our vertical and horizontal analysis and our risk assessments, we discovered a lot of loopholes that Walmart have within its company that can allow management and employees to commit fraudulent activity. Recently, we discovered that Warren Buffett sold $500 million in stock that he has in a company. This is an extreme red flag for the company. We thank you for watching our video.
Bye.
Bye.